Okay, so on number 13, it's 8 divided by 9 hundredths. Okay, so what we're going to do is you see that you have a decimal outside of the house. Okay, and we can't have a decimal that's outside of the house. So what we have to do is we have to look at the number that's inside the house, and 8 is on the inside of the house. So you don't see a decimal, so you know that that decimal is actually after it. All right. So, how many place values do we have to move the decimal to get to that door? Remember, you want to get it to inside the house. You want to move the decimal inside. So, we got to move it 2 places to get it into the door. So, we're going to move it 2 places on the outside. All right. So, what we have to do then is we have to add zeros because there's no numbers there. So, we're going to add the 2 zeros. And then what we're going to do then is we're going to immediately move that decimal straight up. All right. So then I'm going to take these zeros off because they're just placeholders. They don't really mean anything. You don't have to take them off, but you can leave them there. But I like to take them off just because they confuse kids. So now we have 9. Does 9 go into 8? No. But 9 does go into 80, and it goes into 80 8 times. Okay, so then we are going to subtract 72, bring down the 8, and then we bring down our 0. And we have 9 goes into 80 again, 8 times. Okay, we're going to go ahead and add another 0 because we're dealing with decimals. 8 is actually a remainder, but since we're dealing with decimals, you want to see if it can, number one, you can either round it or if you can have, it like terminates. Terminate means that it's going to stop. So 9 goes into 80 again 8 times. Well, you could spend your whole entire life doing this problem and you're still going to get 8. Okay, so what that means is that we have to put the line over it. And the line is a symbol in math that just means that number repeats. So 8's going to continue to repeat forever and ever and ever, right? Okay, but we don't need to do that. So we're going to here's our answer going to be over here, 88 or 88 and 8 tenths. Okay, with the line over it. You could, if you wanted to, if she wants you to have this, the decimal, you could have more lines, but it's not necessary. So this is going to be the answer for number 13.